Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Krishna, a final year engineering student from Nagpur, and in this today's video based on my experience we are going to discuss the top 5 to 6 mistakes that you need to avoid speaking in your HR interview. Now your HR interview is basically the last step of any hiring process, and multiple times the most biggest mistake that we do is we took it lightly. So यार कई बार हम इसे lightly ले लेते हैं, but trust me, avoiding these mistakes that we are going to discuss have the potential and that can boost your chances of getting selected in the organization that you are dreaming of or at the particular role. So without wasting any time, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, and now let's start with the first mistake that you need to avoid in your HR interview. So yes, the first mistake is bad mouthing about your previous employer. कई बार इंटरव्यू में हमें जब पूछा जाता है, दिस स्पेशली फॉर द एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट्स, कई बार हमें जब पूछा जाता है, अब टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर प्रीवियस कंपनीज. तो यस, मल्टीपल टाइम्स वी स्पीक बैड अबाउट दैट कंपनीज, दैट माई बॉस वॉज टेरिबल, द वर्क कल्चर वॉज नॉट गुड. Yes, definitely it is a bad thing, and you should try to avoid speaking such things in your HR interview, because HR is sitting there just to examine what kind of behavior you hold and what are your capabilities, what are your thought process and all these things. And if you are speaking something bad about your previous organization, it might create a sense of fear in the mind of HR that yes, तुम उसके बारे में बोल रहे हो तो कहीं ना कहीं तुम हमारी कंपनी के बारे में भी बोल सकते हो. So yes, so that's the first mistake you need to avoid in the company. Try saying that yes, my experience was this so, and even if you had a bad experience, use polite words. कुछ भी ऐसा यूज मत करना जिससे इंप्रेशन खराब हो. So now let's move towards the second mistake that you need to avoid in your HR interview. It's talking only about salary. Now yes, you, me, everyone on this planet Earth is here to make money, but when you are sitting in an interview, it's not everything about money. तो मेक श्योर कि जो कन्वर्सेशन रहता है वो सिर्फ पैसों के बारे में ना हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड अबाउट योर एक्सपेक्टेशन, योर सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन, योर पर्क्स और एनी अदर थिंग, मेक श्योर उसके लिए आखिरी वाला पार्ट तुम रिजर्व रखो. HR खुद उसके ऊपर एक पॉइंट के बाद आएगा, एंड इवन इफ यू नॉट अराइव दैट टॉपिक, देन यू कैन ask him in a very polite manner. But if you are starting with the questions like yes, can you please explain with my perks, what will be my benefits, what salary, then yes, definitely HR को कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगेगा कि भाई तो उसे पैसों के लिए आया है क्या, पहले काम तो डिस्कस कर ले. Let the interview go in his manner, because if you will talk only about salary, then yes, definitely एक कहीं ना कहीं bad impression पड़ेगा पैसों से related. Now moving towards the third important mistake that you need to avoid in your HR interview is indicating that you will leave soon. Now इसमें दो scenarios है. The first one is showing interest in higher education. Now definitely HR will ask you questions that are you interested in higher education. मुझे भी काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज में ये क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे, but when you will answer this question, you need to show no interest or less interest in the higher education, because कहीं ना कहीं कंपनीज जो रहती है वो स्टेबल एम्प्लॉयज चाहती है. देयर आर सम कंपनीज हु गिव फंड्स फॉर हायर एजुकेशन, बट यस, वेरी रेयर, वेरी फ्यू, बेस्ड ऑन हायर परफॉर्मेंस एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. काफ़ी सारे रिकॉर्ड्स रहते हैं, बट इन एन इंटरव्यू ट्राई टू अवॉइड शोइंग इंटरेस्ट देयर, बिकॉज अगर तुम बोलते हो कि मुझे इस केस में जाना, ये डिग्री करनी, इट माइट शो अ सेंस कि तुम ये कंपनी जल्द ही छोड़ने वाले हो. नंबर टू, दूसरा सिनेरियो अगर मैं इसी मिस्टेक के अंदर बताऊँ, तो इट विल बी मेंशनिंग अबाउट योर इंटरेस्ट इन freelancing or business activities. Now yes, it's okay to have experience in business or okay to have experience in freelancing, but if you are showing interest that I will continue this work or I will manage two works at a time, it might create a sense that yes, you are here for just for some period of time to have some monetary stability and all the things, and yes, after a period of time you may leave. ऐसा एक फियर आ सकता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर कोई डेडिकेटेड कैंडिडेट हो एंड इफ यू आर जस्ट शोइंग दैट मैं दो तीन चीज़ें एक साथ कर रहा हूँ, तो कंपनी विल गिव मोर प्रेफरेंस टू हिम, बिकॉज he is the one who will work more focusedly on the betterment and growth of the organization rather than you, क्योंकि तुम तो खुद के दो तीन चीज़ें और कर भी रहे हो. So that is the third mistake. Now yes, moving towards the fourth mistake that you need to avoid in your HR interview is showing your instability. Now it's somewhat similar to the third mistake, but not exact. Let me explain you how. Instability means, especially in an interview, if you are having multiple experiences, work experiences, and if you are showing that yes, I have worked in this organization for 3 months, for 4 months, and if you are showing multiple job switches एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमें याद रखना. ये स्पेशली एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट्स के लिए, इफ यू आर शोइंग मल्टीपल जॉब स्विचेस ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ short durations. It might create a sense of instability कि भाई ये बंदा आता है, ये कंपनी में जाता है, 3 महीने काम करता है, छोड़ के दूसरी ज्वाइन कर लेता है. It might create a sense of instability in the mind of HR, and yes, preference उसमें कम हो सकता है तुम्हारा. Now it's very important to understand that it's completely okay. It's completely fine to have multiple job experiences of short time duration, but you need to explain it in such a way कि एक trust build up हो तुम्हारे और HR के बीच में. बिकॉज इंटरव्यू इज ऑल अबाउट बिल्डिंग ट्रस्ट. तुम इसे विश्वास दिला रहे हो कि भाई तुम्हारे रोल्स के अकॉर्डिंग, तुम्हारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस के अकॉर्डिंग मैं और मेरे स्किल्स काम आ सकते हैं. तो यस, इफ यू आर हैविंग सच मल्टीपल जॉब स्विचेस, यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन इट इन अ सच अ वे कि उसे डाउट ना आए, एंड अगर डाउट आता भी है तो यू नीड टू क्लैरिफाई इट based on that current situation. Now moving towards the fifth mistake that you need to avoid in your HR interview is saying that you are having multiple job offers or another job offer. For example, तुम किसी कंपनी के इंटरव्यू में अपियर कर रहे हो. You are explaining that I am having this company's job offer with this CTC. It might create a sense of job shopping कि तुम यहाँ पे सिर्फ सैलरी की बात करना है और जॉब शॉपिंग करने हैं तुम कि मेरे पास ये ऑफर्स भी है, इनका मेरे ये मुझे इतना पे कर रहा है तो तुम थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा दो. इट माइट क्रिएट सेंस दैट यू आर ओनली हियर फॉर मॉनिटरी बेनिफिट्स, योर पर्सनल बेनिफिट्स, नॉट फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तुम सिर्फ अपना पॉकेट भरने आए हो. तो यस, ये कहीं ना कहीं चीज़ बुरी रहती है. एंड यू ट्राई speaking only the things which are betterment or which are potentially related only about the organization. If you are having another offer, completely fine. कंपनी को क्या लेना देना है, ऑफर अगर वो है. if you are dedicated for any other company, you might go there. but if you are appearing in any interview, yes, you need to be prepared very well. and फालतू की चीज़ें करने से बेटर है कि काम की चीज़ों पे फोकस करो. कम बोलो लेकिन काम का बोलो. That's it. Now let's move towards the sixth mistake you need to avoid in the HR interview. I would like to start with a story for this. I had a friend who gave his best in his interview, but he gave average performance in the previous round. Now, do you think that he will get selected? Of course no, because there is not a candidate जिसने तीनों जगह पे बेस्ट दिया अपना, कंपनी उसी को सिलेक्ट करेगी. Yes, average performance in the previous round. Now, when you get hired, there are multiple hiring processes. इंटरव्यू, उसके पहले टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू 1 2 मैटर डिपेंड्स करता है. एंड यस, एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट और द इनिशियल स्क्रीनिंग. नाउ यस, इफ़ यू आर अपियरिंग फॉर द HR इंटरव्यू, डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं उनके पास एक मार्कशीट रहती है. द वन हु आर सिटिंग टू हायर यू, दे हैव अ कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड of you right from the initial screening process. If you are not performing well in the initial stages and giving your 100%, 110% in the higher stages, but if someone is there who is giving all the best in all the stages, he is having higher probability of getting hired just because क्योंकि उसका performance overall अच्छा है. Now yes, it's a very important thing to understand. You need to perform all these aspects. You need to give your best in all the rounds in order to ensure your higher chances to get selected in any organization. Because चीज़ें इग्नोर करोगे तो आगे जाके दिक्कत हो सकती है. So yes, that's the last mistake. You need to focus on all these stages. Give your best. Never consider that it's a aptitude test. So मैं बस पास करने पुरता पढ़ लेता हूँ ना. You need to give your best. So that were all about this video. If you find that this video was helpful, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe. And yes, this is a new channel started by me. I need your support to gain more and more views on this channel. So completely channel को share करो, like करो, subscribe करो. And yes, I'll be back with another valuable topic only for your growth. हम मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक के लिए bye bye. See you soon.